Quinoa, tabbouleh and hummus salad. Prepare the ingredients. For the tabbouleh, place 1 cup of quinoa into a saucepan, add 2.5 cups of water, place on a high heat, cover with a lid and bring to the boil. Reduce the heat and simmer until all the water is absorbed and the quinoa is soft. Finally, chop 3 cups of parsley and 1 handful of mint leaves. Finally, dice 3 tomatoes. Finally, dice 1 cucumber. Finally, dice half a red onion. Place all ingredients into a bowl. For the hummus, peel 2 cloves of garlic. Juice half a cup of lemon. Place the lemon juice in a blender. Add the garlic cloves. Add 1/4 cup of tahini. Add 3 cups of chickpeas. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Puree and slowly add 2 cups of water. Puree until smooth. Add the cooked quinoa to the bowl of tabbouleh salad and mix well. Place 1 handful of lettuce on a platter. Top with the salad mixture. Pour over the cup of hummus. Top with a few mint leaves and serve.